This is the hallway. This is one unit. That's the entrance. And that is the servant room entrance. This is a raw flat, so basically all the work has to be done. So this is a study area which is left. Has a balcony attached to it. That's the expressway towards Delhi. Stairs going to the upper floor. That's your living and dining area, pretty big. That's one bedroom on the lower floor. This is also a bigger size. The ceiling height is near about 11.5 12 feet. Walk-in wardrobe. And the bathroom, good enough for a bathtub and shower panel. We'll be going towards the living and the dining, plus a bar area on the left hand side. That's the kitchen with a storeroom, small store space. It is purely facing your 9 and 18 hole golf course, which is completely operational. Near about 70%, 75% of the towers here are occupied for the last 3 years. So all the buildings which you see like these are completely occupied till here. These towers have been recently handed over. These are the only 2 towers which are left, which will be handed over in 6 months' time, and they are on time now because the government has taken over the handing over part. That's the 9 hole golf course. That's the 18 hole golf course, running all the way from there. So you have tennis area, you have the walking track, you have basketball court, you have the whole jogging track. Then it has an attached terrace to it, which is of near about 800-900 square feet. Again, gives you an uninterrupted view of the golf course and Yamuna on one side. All these towers are completely handed over for the last 3-4 years. Then you have the upper floor with a balcony attached to it. We'll be going there through the stairs. As you can see, the size is pretty big for living and dining. So these are the stairs. Servant room. So this is a family lounge area on the upper floor. This is a common balcony. This gives you a view of the expressway. So this is towards Delhi.